on the occasion of 72nd Republic Day of the world's largest and most vibrant democracy.
71 years ago, this day was celebrated as Republic Day, as the people of India created the Constitution. As we all know that this land of ours is enriched by diversity. With many festivals, our national festival of the Republic Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm, and we give respect to our national flag and faith in the Constitution. This day has come to mean a lot to all the Indians living within the country and abroad. On this very day, 71 years ago, the Constitution of India was framed. This is also a day to pause and ponder for the Constitution and preamble in our Constitution. Those are liberty, equality, justice, and fraternity. On this very day, let us also remember our freedom fighters, the legends, who sacrificed their lives for the well-being of us. On this day, the celebration took place at the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath. The ceremonial parades took place from the Rajpath to the India Gate. The main eye-catching and the attention-seeking of the celebration is the march that is done to represent the different states. On this very day, flag hosting is also done at the Rajpath at almost 8 am. On this day, different high-rank officials of India like Prime Minister and President are present. The President gives a speech on the Republic Day. The Republic Day is also celebrated in the colleges, schools and offices with great enthusiasm. The people of India respect their national flag and show their faith in the Constitution. We should not forget the freedom fighters, the heroes of our country who sacrificed their life for the well-being of all. On this very day, the eye-catching event is the March Past, which is done by the soldiers of our country. The March Past is done at the Rajpath, followed by the Rai Sena Hill Past to the India Gate. They represent different states of the country. The people of India feel very proud and enthusiastic to see this March parade. Every year, many chief guests are called as the guest of honor. But as we are suffering from pandemic, then this year there will be no chief guest from the outer country as the guest of honor. Republic Day is also celebrated in schools and colleges with great enthusiasm. Children and people show their respect for the national flag and their faith in the Constitution. Republic Day parades showcases the cultural heritage of the India and also the social heritage. It also showcases the defense capability of the Indian. At last, we should not forget about our freedom fighters, the heroes of the country and the legends who sacrificed their life for our well-being. At last, I would like to conclude this by the quote given by Indira Gandhi. Even if I die in the service of nation, I will be proud of it. Every drop of my blood will make to enhance the social and dynamic status of the country. Thank you and have a nice day.